How to unsuspend TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To unsuspend your TikTok account, what you need to do is you can launch a TikTok application and tap on the question mark icon before you sign in. This is because if TikTok has accidentally suspended your account, it will automatically lift the ban or suspension from your account after a couple of times. So let's go ahead and try it out. First and foremost, launch a TikTok application in your mobile device. Then click on the profile icon. Make sure that you are logged out of your account. Then you need to click on the three horizontal line at the top. Under account, tap on the sign up button. Over here, you will see a question mark icon in your left hand side. Click on it. After which, tap on suspended account. Then, under self-service solution, click on tap to check if your account has been suspended. Then, select on the account. If the ban or the suspension has been removed, it will notify you that your account is active and can be accessed. After which you'll be able to log in into your TikTok account successfully. If not, try to update your TikTok application. However, if you have violated any of the community guidelines of TikTok and that is the reason for your ban, this technique will not work. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.